Guys, so I'm making this video for students who are in polytechnic, university, college of education, or even in secondary school or preparing for an examinations, and you're finding it difficult to read and understand a particular course, a particular topic, despite going through the slide, consulting textbook, and sometimes we even go as far as looking at going online and looking for YouTube videos. But sometimes these YouTube videos too sometimes fail to give us an elaborate picture of all of this. If you have tried all of this and yet the approach still doesn't work for you, then you can try this one. Now, this approach is in this approach. I've used this approach not once, not twice. The reason I'm giving this approach because I basically use YouTube for a particular course that I was doing last session during my undergraduate days, and it didn't work. Various YouTube videos couldn't even help it because I was just so blank in the course and I didn't even like the course, and I needed to pass, not just to pass, to have an A. So I utilized this approach and it worked for me. What's the approach? I use AI to get what I want. And you're wondering, AI, how can AI help you if YouTube videos has failed you? Let me give you the approach. So when you want to use AI, when you go to AI, to your ChatGPT, or I'm already there already. So what you do is that particular PDF, that particular PDF, that particular slide, that particular document that is uneasy for you to understand, you come to AI, you upload the document, the PDF or the slide in AI. Once you upload it in AI, the next thing you do is prompt. You can look at the way I start my prompt. I'm a final year student of chemistry at the University of Lagos. The above PDF is one of the PDF of on applied spectroscopy. So the prompt must be elaborate, detailed. Tell AI what you want it to do. You can even give it your background, tell it how difficult the course is and how you need it. So AI works with prompts. If you give it a very, very good prompt, it's going to help you out. Now, I told it to help me to explain the course in layman terms. In layman terms. In layman terms. So it's going to break it down in simple terms. It is going to use examples, real life scenarios to explain the concept of the course. Now, when you have done giving it the prompt, you send it. Now, what AI is going to do is that it's going to explain it for you in simple terms, in a way that your YouTuber might not be able to explain it. So it's going to bring scenarios. It's going to use things that you see in your daily life to explain this concept for you. As you can see now, it's giving it to me in milestone. This simple picture, tiny spinning of magnets in a big magnet. So it's going to explain it in simple terms. Then you read through all of these things. As you are reading it, you are taking note of all of these things. You are taking points down. There's now you go through all of these things that you will not have a little understanding, or actually you will not have half of the knowledge required for the course. Now, when you are done reading all of what AI has given you, what else do you do? When you are done reading what AI has given you, then you now go back to the slide. You read, you take notes, and then you go back to that slide that you don't understand, and then you now read that slide again. Due to the knowledge that this AI has given you on that course, you will have absolute knowledge. When you are reading the slide is going to be easy and convenient for you to comprehend. When you are done reading the slide, here's what you do. Then you come back here and then you tell AI or ChatGPT or Gemini, anyone that you are using, you tell it to formulate questions based on how your school or your supervisor or your lecturer formulates his own test question, assessment, or exam question. For example, if I know that this course now is a theory course, so I'll ask you to formulate difficult. Now, the prompt must be very, very particular. Difficult question, difficult theoretical question on this particular slide. So AI will formulate every question as possible on this slide. Now, since I've read this AI content from the slide, I've read the slide as well, understood it. The next thing is for me to take question and answer question. When you ask me question and I answer this question, then I'm prepared for that exam that is coming. Thank you. Try this technique and it's going to work. I told you that I was going to tell you about the course. I was doing this particular course. I didn't understand this course from the beginning of the semester to the end. It was just 24 hours to the exam, and I used this technique and it worked for me. I spent about 18 hours to the exam, reading and studying. You can imagine that due stress. And I had A in the course by just using this approach. So you can do the same thing as well and thank me later. Thank you.